Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 19, 2024, our system has assigned Apple a rating of Hold Accumulate, resulting in a score of negative 0.87. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 8.66% since we initially recommended purchasing Apple 21 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.41% per day since it was classified as Hold Accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating the possibility of further increases within this trend. The present 3-month trend forecasts a potential change of approximately 7.73% over the upcoming 3 months, with an estimated return ranging from 0.312% to 10.21%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a possible change of 39.1% over the next year, with a potential return between 19.3% and 42.31%. This suggests a price range of approximately $295.93 to $352.99 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, Apple stock price down by 2.14% on Wednesday. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, the Apple stock price decreased by 2.14%, falling from $253.48 to $248.05. Throughout that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.63%, ranging from a low of $247.77 to a high of $254.28. Notably, the price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by 2.07% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should correlate with stock movement. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 7 million shares, resulting in a total of 41 million shares exchanged, valued at approximately $10.06 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $254.28 and a low of $164.08. Currently, the stock price stands 2.45% or $6.23 below the 52-week high of $254.28, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Apple Inc. continues to capture investor attention with a recent closing price of $253.48, reflecting a gain of 0.97%. However, analysts have raised concerns regarding the performance of the iPhone 16, suggesting a potential stumble in its sales momentum. This could weigh on Apple's revenue growth in the short term, particularly as new product cycles are crucial for extending the company's bullish market position. Additionally, the increasing allocation to the Magnificent Seven stocks, including Apple, indicates growing institutional interest. This trend may bolster Apple's stock in the long term as more funds shift toward these tech giants, enhancing market perceptions of stability and growth potential. However, scrutiny remains on Apple's supply chain practices. Legal challenges relating to its sourcing of minerals from conflict-prone areas may lead to reputational risks and could impact investor sentiment if not managed effectively. Analysts are cautiously optimistic, discussing the possibility of Apple hitting a $4 trillion market cap, which could significantly influence stock price trajectories. Overall, while there are immediate challenges with product performance and supply chain scrutiny, strong institutional interest and market benchmarks suggest a mixed but cautiously optimistic outlook for Apple's stock in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, Evercore ISI assigned Apple Incorporated a grade of outperform along with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, UBS rated Apple Incorporated as neutral with a hold action. Also on Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, Jefferies gave Apple Incorporated a grade of hold and recommended a hold action. On Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, Wedbush provided a grade of outperform for Apple Incorporated, coupled with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, KeyBank assigned a grade of underweight to Apple Incorporated, along with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell, as well as the price-to-book ratio. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock currently indicates a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, it also shows a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $248.99. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $234.66. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average would signal a sell. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 17, 2024, and the stock has since declined by 2.14%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as trading volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 148 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $232.87 and $228.20. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a breach could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, if Apple breaks the support at $232.87, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $228.20 and $224.23. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with decent trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.51 between its high and low, representing a movement of 2.63%. Throughout the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.65%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.36. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $248.13. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $232.87. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson conducted an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson conducted another insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 19th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson sold 50,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Chris Kondo conducted an insider sale of 4,130 shares of common stock. On the 5th of November, 2024, Catherine L. Adams conducted an insider sale of 8,000 shares of common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 27.713. Overall, insiders purchased 2,065,334 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $237.30, which reflects a decrease of 4.33%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that was established 1 day ago. Is Apple's stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these indicators sufficient to recommend a purchase at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning to either hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 19th of December, we anticipate that Apple will open at $1.98 and begin trading at $250.03. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please refrain from basing your investment choices solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.